Hey guys, Coach here with this week's Plant of the Week. This one here is a twist on something that I had when we were at Weed Patch Ranch out in the Central Valley, California. This is the feather reed grass, the variegated version of it, not just the green version. Calamagrostis family of ornamental grasses. Beautiful plume stalks into the late summer, and the variegation and the movement that these create in the garden with just a slight breeze makes them a real showstopper and something different out in the garden. Ornamental grasses are kind of an oddity, and a lot of people don't know a lot about them, but when you see varieties like this come out, you really should take advantage of them. They are very cold tolerant, and they're a deciduous grass, which means they're going to brown out and go down in the wintertime. Covered in snow, they don't care. If you do plant them in a container, I suggest you take them into a greenhouse, heel them into the earth itself somehow, or bring it into a cold garage. They'll do fine in there. This particular one, the Hello Spring variety, has been out a little while, but I haven't seen them in the garden centers. I've only studied them online, and when I saw it today, I went, yeah, I got to share this one. Not particularly finicky about which soil it goes in, but do use some good planting technique. I always suggest 50-50 planting mix, 50-50 native soil, twice as wide and as deep as the container. You'll always get really good success with that kind of planting technique. Yep, the Hello Spring, variegated Calamagrostis ornamental grass. You should check it out. You can put them in containers, you can put them in the ground. They are good for a backdrop and have smaller plants in front of them. If you had a foundation planting or something like that, a corner planting of your house, full sun all day long, and they will tolerate almost all conditions. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you next week with another update and another Plant of the Week. But thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. Hope we can earn a sub from you and a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys next week. Bye for now.